It don't matter what you tried to do, you couldn't destroy me. I'm still standing. I'm still strong.
Yeah, what?
It already say in my video.
Should have, yeah. With the BFF bestie, she don't want to be seen on camera, so this is what I got. Really? You do?
I'm cute, yeah. Hi.
Be my bestie. I ain't gonna disclose her name, so we're just gonna keep it bestie. If she wants me to disclose her name, then I'll disclose her name.
Expose it.
Her name is Brittany. Bestie. So I got Dante. She had some chicken Dante. This shit's pretty good, but I didn't want that.
It was good.
I didn't want that today.
It tastes familiar like the other that I usually get.
Yeah, that was the same thing.
It just had broccoli in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was the same thing.
That was good.
I just didn't want that. I had chicken and broccoli last night. But this is what I got, guys. Big breasted vegetable pizza with broccoli in it. Wait, did he put broccoli in up there? He would not have. But broccoli, it's on and popping. All right, see you guys later. This nigga here, it's fucking Charger.
Slow down a little bit. Get on,
What's up, nigga? Make sure my house is locked, guys. I better double check shit. Double check shit. Gotta double check shit to make sure.
Car got stolen.
Damn. You was in the store?
No, I'm saying after I filled up there when I was over in on the border.
Damn.
I said, damn, ain't nothing full fucking tank.
Fuck.
I know what I didn't do.
What's that? QT, y'all about to get something to snack on before I go to this gym. Quick trip, baby. All day long. Feeling better now. Gonna eat first? We're gonna eat first, guys. Then we'll go to the gym. Show y'all what we got. Let's go. First, I did grab a little something because I'm hungry, so I grabbed me a hot dog. Cause I thought we was going to the gym now, but this nigga done changed his motherfucking mind, and now we're finna go eat. So now I already got this. Was gonna take us a pre-workout, but I guess now I'm about to eat some more food. Cause now we're not hitting the gym for another hour and a half, couple of hours. So eat this shit, you know, chill, eat. Good time today. It's gonna be a good vlog, guys. It's gonna be a good vlog. Like I said, we just got done working on this lady house with the cameras. Very sweet lady. God bless her. We're at Wendy's, y'all. Fuck it. Fuck it. What you getting, nigga?
Baconator.
You one more time, what the fuck you getting? Did you say a baconator, nigga? A baconator?
Top of the food chain.
Top of the food chain. A baconator. Boy, hell nah, I ain't fucking with your ass. Let's see. I don't know what the fuck I'm getting, nigga.
You know the days triple.
Nah, I ain't getting that shit. This nigga said a motherfucking
Man, you know I ain't bringing no goddamn
baconator.
You do a chicken sandwich.
Quality served doesn't cut corners and stuff. Oh, y'all like this shit not nasty. That bitch. Fancy. Man, Wendy's got fancy, y'all. The hell? Shit. Got some fireplace. Look at that. That shit is kind of clean. Got a TV in here. Okay, Wendy's.
What I'm trying to do.
Oh, okay.
That's pretty good, man.
UTA, baby. University Texas of Arlington.
Nice crab, my friend.
Thank you, my friend. I felt that shit
Need
too.
about 3 more of them fucking chicken sandwiches. That shit is shit. The yellow supposed to separate the two sides.
Yeah.
The nigga had all yellows. Like, nigga, did that whole turn into a one-way or something?
That's why I hate going on Collins, bro. I used to hate driving on Collins Street. That always be confusing.
I
as
hate driving where I
fuck.
don't know where I'm at, especially in this bitch when I gotta slow down for all these dips and shit.
Are we here?
Yeah, it's right
Turn
here.
left onto South Oak Street, then your destination.
What, nigga?
Can I get a parking spot in this?
Can I get some Starbucks in this bitch?
Shit, my circle like that.
Mocha chocolate! Starbucks, baby. I'm about to get some Starbucks, man. Why you? Cause you. This whole extra nice. UTA bookstore, baby. UTA bookstore. It's pretty nice in here, guys. Pretty nice. Very nice in here. Yeah. I need to get some mechanical pencils while I'm in here. But But I don't want no BS. This freaking bookstore is dope as fuck, man. Bookstore dope as fuck, man. Look at this shit behind me. Bookstore is pretty dope, man. UTA definitely be a keeper, man. Definitely a keeper. Try to hit Starbucks, but you won't let me hit Starbucks, man. Sad. Won't let me do it. You ready? Hey, bro.
We're gonna go to.
Oh, we not done cupcaking? We not done cupcaking yet? Cupcaking. Over here pancaking UTA, man. Okay. All right, let's go, man. We done? We done or we done? We almost finished. So we're not quite done yet. So what we gotta do next? That's what I'm saying, bro. I was about to get. UTA's nice.
Watch that bitch drive around the corner and I hope he's yellow.
Bro, what pre-workout you give me?
It's called Gorilla Nuts.
Okay, where D gave me some fucking monster and some gorilla nut workout. What the fuck?
Nah, I'm bullshitting.
The fuck is that shit?
I haven't created that yet.
So what the fuck is
my
it?
new product?
What is this? It's good though.
It's Alabama fan. Bam.
So what is this?
B-Knox, Bull Knox, or whatever. So
Really? That's what it's called? Some bull knots, whatever the fuck that
I
shit
think
is.
they call it just B-Knox.
B-Knots mixed with Monster. Those Shipley's donuts go fucking hard. Anyway, B-Knots, whatever the fuck that shit called. It's a monster, baby. Let's get it. AT&T Stadium, here we come. It's the AT&T Stadium, but very, very nice stadium. Like I said before. Ooh, okay. Very, very nice stadium. Some nice looking women. Let me not put them on camera because I said that. So I'll say it myself. It's some very nice looking women out here. Very nice. Look at here. Don't hate. Very nice women out here. Very nice looking women out here. Yo, I would live out here. The fuck is stadium parking $100? Why? It costs $100 to park. It costs $100 to park. Just to fucking park at AT&T Stadium. $100. That's not even, then you have to walk. On top of that, when you park, you have to walk to the stadium. So not only are you paying $100 for parking, then you gotta walk. We're already almost a quarter mile from the stadium and parking of it all. You know what I'm saying? I understand, you know, these motherfuckers gotta make their money. You know what I'm saying? They're their own entity. You know what I'm saying? And these businesses gotta make their money. I respect that. I respect the fact that they have to make their money in some kind of way. I get it. I understand. Okay, I get the whole concept. But me personally, I'm just speaking from personal. I'm not finna walk a whole mile to a stadium and pay $100 parking.
Alright. One of them little chicks say, oh, man, I wanna go to the game.
Alright, let me see.
Let me see what I got.
Let me see what the parking like.
She gotta be fucking extra fine for that shit to happen. Extra fucking fine.
And she asked you, she touch your leg. You think we can do it?
Yeah.
Maybe.
In the brain size of a grapefruit. That's for them little faggots that live and make, now they miss. You know what it is? Another classic.
Damn, what the fuck going on right here, nigga?
This flow always empty, get neglected.
Nigga over here pancaking. I'm fucking ready to go. I'm ready to go, baby. Oh, it's getting held, all right. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? You ready? Let's get it. Now we ready. Now we ready. Now we ready to get it?
Now I'm ready.
Ready to take two?
Ready.
Ready to take two. Let's get it, niggas.
I'm like, watching my video, I greatly appreciate it. Greatly. I know it's been a pretty long one, and I just wanted to show you guys my day, enjoying life, having fun. The college life again. This time decided to go out with the Ramus, and we had a little activity day. And but yeah, like I said, greatly appreciate you guys watching because I'm not making any money off this. I made a total of 3 cents so far on YouTube, and I'm still producing videos. So obviously, this has shit to do with any kind of money. I do this because I want you guys to see my journey and see what I'm doing to, better my life and better the people lives around me, because that's what it's all about, like I said before. So like I said, just a commentary over this video. As you saw in the previous clips, we start with pull-ups. 99% of the workout is pull-ups, and here we were doing a variation of a rear delt, I guess a face pull, but we was pulling to our stomach, was shrugging it at the same time to really contract the traps. As you know, we work on traps first before we get to back, because we really want to get the traps going. So here we did shrugs. This has became one, if not my favorite for shrugs. Now I love this better than barbell shrugs. I need to start like squeezing at the top and keeping that pause there more, which I'm going to work on. As you see, the Ramus, he has a slight pause in his shrugs when he does his, and it's all good. Like I said, this is one of my favorites for shrugs. And oh, it's a vein coming out of my arm again. That intro pump. I took Chris Jones' intro pump during this workout, and I felt it. But I'm going to let this play out, and I will see y'all in a minute.
Y'all, it's 4 plates sitting right there. I'm afraid about this one.
Come on. Yeah. Come on, get it. Oh, here we go.
So as you see, we got a little crazy with it, trying to get 4 plates. We only got 2 reps. We're gonna work on, like I said, I'm not doing heavy like that anymore. I'm concentrating more on the form, especially when I start the new split soon. It's gonna be all form based and not really concentrate on heavy weight. Even here with these T-bar rolls, we just got to 335 pounds today. Like I said, we didn't go real heavy. This is all about squeezing, contracting that back, working on form. But I'm gonna let another raw clip play because the Ramus is the ultimate shit talker.
Huh? I was expecting a little more than that out of you, man. I said 12 to 15 reps. I was expecting 15 out of you then. Okay, I'll give you 15 this time. I'm trying to save a little strength. Yep. Let's go. 15. I didn't want you to stand that bitch down. I know how I'm looking at it.
So there you go, Doramus. I did 15 reps for my last set. T-bar, motherfucker. Hope you happy. Anyway, moving on. Decided to go into this plate loaded machine roll, as we call it, as I call it, the Batman Big Wheel, taken from the online coach. Here we did 6 reps. We're only showing 2 here because I'm already 21 minutes in the video, which I had figured, and so didn't do too many more clips and videos. But we did finish off with our vertical movements, close grip, and then we did reverse, and then we did wide with a superset. Like I said, the Raymond's vertical movements are a lot stronger than mine. I feel like this is my weakness, along with grip strength. I'm really weak when it comes to the vertical movements, and this is one of his strong points. So this is definitely something I want to work on. I toned down the weight for me to work on my form because my form is weak, especially doing these lat pulls. So the upcoming weeks, I'm just gonna work on form, tone down the weight, and work on the form so I can get stronger doing the vertical moves so I can catch up to the Ramus. But this was the last thing we did with a superset, and I'm gonna close it out, guys. Appreciate y'all for staying with me this long. Stay tuned for the last build of the video. Holla.
So I had a really good workout. Back session was a beast. See me going down this elevator now. I'm about to head to Chipotle because I don't feel like cooking tonight, to be honest with you. Get me a bowl to go. As I call it, gains in the motherfucking bowl. Stay tuned. Big ass long Chipotle sign. That's what I'm headed to. Getting it. Combination of both round and brown rice. And then, can I get a little bit more white rice? Yeah. Black beans. And then I want double chicken today. Make it. Gotta get it right. Gotta clean it up today. That's gonna be it. And then I'm gonna get some. Catch out my shoe. Get some mild, little bit of mild, not that. Yeah, a little bit. A little bit of spicy. Yeah, a little bit of that. That's good right there. And then lots of corn, please. Fill it on up. Can I get a little bit more corn if that's applicable? And then a little bit of lettuce. And that's gonna be it, man. Oh, that looks good, guys. That's looking good right there. Oh yeah, that's it, man.